Hey Annie. Nice to see you again.
Hey Justin. Nice to see you again too.
So what would you like to eat? And I brought a lot of money because I can tell you eat a lot.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, obviously just by looking at your size you can tell that you eat quite a bit.
So technically you are calling me fat?
Well, yeah, but I like you just the way you are, except that is the only flaw. You could use a little weight training.
Yeah, know what, I do not think this is gonna work out.
Well, I thought you were a skank anyways.
I am very upset with you now. Do not ever talk to me again, you backstabbing freak.